In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate names in Excel, whether you're working with a list of full names or just need to pull out first and last names for reporting. I'll walk you through the simplest and most reliable options so you can pick what fits your version of Excel and your data. First, open Microsoft Excel and load the sheet with your full names. Everything we do will happen directly in Excel, so there's nothing extra to install. Let's start with the easiest approach, text to columns. Click the column that contains the full names. Now go to the Data tab on the ribbon and choose Text to Columns. In the wizard, select Delimited, then click Next. Check the space delimiter, since the space between first and last name is what we're splitting on. Click Next, review the preview so you can see how the names will separate, and then click Finish. Your single column of full names will instantly become separate columns, one for the first name and one for the last name. This is fast, clean, and ideal for most simple first-last layouts. If you're using Excel 365 and prefer a formula that updates automatically, use Text Split. In a blank cell next to your first full name, type Text Split A1 and press Enter, replacing A1 with the cell that holds the full name. The function looks for spaces and spills each piece into its own column. As you copy the formula down, each row splits on its own, which is great when your data changes over time or you want a formula-driven solution. Need just the first name or just the last name? Use targeted formulas. For the first name, enter X left A1. Find A1 1. This finds the first space in the cell, then returns everything to the left of that position. For the last name, enter right A1 Lien 1. Find A1. This calculates how many characters are to the right of the first space and returns that remainder. These are perfect when you want dedicated first name and last name columns without splitting everything else. A few quick tips to keep your results clean. All of these methods work best when names are separated by a single space. If your names include middle names or initials, Text Split is usually the most flexible because it places each part into its own column. And before you split, it helps to remove extra spaces with Excel Trim A1, which cleans up leading, trailing, and repeated spaces so your splits happen exactly where you expect. That's it. Simple and effective ways to separate names in Excel. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.